in the Facebook marketing. So lowest cost per result sake 0.03 per day $2, and I am getting 130 message conversation. Within this rate ratio is very low. You can check total cost is this, total impression is this, total reach is this, 7 day, and highest volume click. So all volume. This is the update version of the Facebook method we are using. So both is the running work and both are running. So this is the lowest, and this is the costing and per day version, but not working at a time. So this app is working fine, this campaign, and lowest cost and highest message conversation we have received. So check message conversation template 13, total message continue 142, and message started to 138, new message 139, everything as the lowest cost. This is the recorded version, recorded cost and cost per result for my ads campaign. This is the highest for me. So that's the sharing in the 2026 in the August month campaign.